This is Westwood Obe doing the environmental recycling thing where everything gets chucked in one fucking bin, nothing gets recycled, and Dean Gaffney, Robbie Fowler, is in Moran's.
I know.
And I think he should come out and empty the bins.
Yep, for sure.
And recycle it as well.
Yeah.
You know, separate it all out, you know. Get your ass out here, Dean. Dean! Robbie! Empty the bins.
He's there. In the food butt shop.
Robbie! Robbie! Woo! Is he as well?
Yeah, he's there.
Let me zoom in.
He's probably looking at zoom in.
He's coming out now, the door. He's coming out the door now.
Robbie!
It's not Robbie, it's Dean.
Dean!
Hi.
There's some bloody bins here.
Can I have a photo? Oh, mate.
Oh, wow! Wow, wow.
Hiya. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Dean, did you enjoy Moran's?
Where was Moran's? Where was
This
that?
place here behind
Oh,
you.
yes, of course,
Yes.
Love Moran's.
And Lady M, Mr M,
Yeah,
Frankie.
yeah, lovely place.
Absolutely
It's a beautiful
fantastic.
place. And the food was unbelievable.
Yeah, I'm
Smells-
about
Oh,
to
Robbie.
You're fat now.
No, it's not Robbie, it's Dean.
Full up.
No, wait. It's
Just don't worry about
Yeah,
it.
no, Dean. No,
You
Dean's
just know him
brilliant.
from EastEnders.
Nice to meet you.
No, I don't. I know Dean
Yes.
from.
Thank you for a photo.
Hey, you got a photo as well.
You
I only
get
got
one
video.
with him.
I don't need a photo.
Are you doing the
Yeah, I've got a
I
video.
got a photo with Robbie.
See